Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Once again, big live design updates are here. Finally, new official leaked images reveal the Galaxy S25 series design, camera specs, AI features, and many other exciting details. A week before the official Unpacked announcement, the smartphone design, camera specs, and new Galaxy AI features of the upcoming Galaxy S25 series have been revealed. Earlier today, some of the Galaxy AI features of Samsung's upcoming phones were leaked. Now, they have revealed more key details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. What are the Galaxy S25 camera specs, design, and Galaxy AI features? A new report from TecnoBlog has revealed marketing images of the Galaxy S25 lineup. These images reveal that Now Bar will have more AI capabilities on the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Now Bar will display personalized information and suggested actions that may be useful to the user throughout the day. For example, in the morning, Now Bar will display the weather forecast and the user's energy score. Then, it can suggest opening Google Maps for navigation and playing music. Its night summary will display memorable moments of the day, along with daily activity statistics like steps taken that day. Some of these features could be powered by the Gemini, while others could be powered by Samsung's in-house AI capabilities. Here are Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra camera specs. According to the latest available data, the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus feature a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom. They have a 12-megapixel selfie camera, as its predecessor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has a 200-megapixel primary rear camera with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera, 5x optical zoom. It also has a 12-megapixel selfie camera on the front respectively. Samsung explains that the 200-megapixel camera can offer 2x optical quality zoom, while the 50-megapixel telephoto camera offers 10x optical quality zoom shots. The Galaxy S25 Plus seems to have a 4900 mAh battery that can last up to 30 hours of video playback. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery that can last up to 31 hours of video playback. All three phones will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor. The devices will run One UI 7.0 based on Android 15 out of the box. All new devices will likely get Android OS and security updates for 7 years at least. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.